are attacking. Protect the astronaut by solving the algebra problem. Simplify this equation. Not quite. Correct. Simplify this equation. Try again. Not quite. Keep trying. Awesome. Simplify this equation. Almost. Almost. Try again. Awesome. Solve for x. Keep trying. Try again. Correct. Simplify this equation. Right. Simplify this equation. Correct. What is this equation equal to? Awesome. What is this equation equal to? Not quite. So close. Try again. Nice. Simplify this equation. Not quite. Not quite. So close. Right. What is this equation equal to? Right. Simplify this equation. Keep trying. Right. Yes, way to go. Simplify this equation. Almost. Almost. Keep trying. Awesome. Simplify this equation. Almost. Keep trying. Try again. Nice. What is this equation equal to? Almost. Keep trying. Correct. What is this equation equal to? Almost. Awesome. What is this equation equal to? Try again. Awesome. Simplify this equation. Try again. Almost. Right. Simplify this equation. Correct. Solve for x. Not quite. Nice. What is this equation equal to? Nice. Simplify this equation. Awesome. Solve for x. Almost. Awesome. Awesome. You earned something new for your fish tank. Simplify this equation. Correct. What is this equation equal to? Nice. Solve for x. Right. Solve for x. Awesome. Solve for x. Correct. Simplify this equation. Not quite. Almost. Nice. Solve for x. Almost. Not quite. Not quite. Right.